So Bells, we got a new wig from Kisslove Hair. This is the packaging that it came in. So cute. The choice of new fashion. Let me show you guys the goodies that came in this bag. I'm really surprised. So of course you get your wig caps, right? Got those on. A razor comb thing so you can cut your lace. An edge brush comb combo here. A pair of eyelashes. Elastic headband thing so you can melt your lace. And then what surprised me the most is it came with this little curling wand thing, which I thought was really cute. This is cute too for those girls that have those baby hairs, because I've never had one of these. And they curl their baby hairs and then lay them. This is going to be great for that. I might end up using this today for that. We're going to see. I don't know if I want to do baby hairs or not today. I love baby hairs. You guys know I love baby hairs. I've been wearing them for years, but sometimes I don't wear them. So we're going to see. But yeah, this came with it. I thought it was really cute. So let's get into this wig. So I have the 5x5 closure wig. You guys know I prefer closures over lace frontals. They do have lace frontals. I believe it was 13x4, 13x6. But they have different lace frontal options if you do want a lace frontal wig. I prefer these because they're glueless, even though I do glue mine down because I go to the gym. But these 5x5 closure wigs, they are glueless, so you can just slap it on if you want to. You don't have to glue it at all. This has Swiss lace. It's tinted brown. It has combs on the inside of the cap, comb at the nape, and adjustable straps. And there's a comb up here on top of the head. I never used that comb. But yeah, I have the chocolate brown wig. I don't think I've ever reviewed a wig this color before. If I have, I don't remember, but I don't recall ever having a wig this color, and it's so pretty. And I'm like, why not? Look how full it is too. The hair is so soft and silky. So she does come pre-plucked. The knots are bleached and bleached exceptionally well. So you guys can see how bleached the knots are. And then she has baby hairs as well. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be using those today or not. But yeah, let's go ahead and get her installed. I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on her so that we can get her to match the skin better. Well, she fit nice and snug too, like not too tight, just like perfectly fitting. Girl, I would feel so comfortable not even gluing this. Do I want to glue this down? Oh, I gotta go to the gym though. I better. And then I cut this like all the way off on the side, like on these sides right here. I try to cut them all the way off. This thing is cutting really nice. Wow, this thing is sharp. Like, do y'all see how melted this lace is already? Like, wow. 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 Insane. Insane. I have a new spray. This is from Wig Dealers Luxury Hair Care. This is their melting spray with humidity resistance, ultra hold. So we're using this today. Hopefully it holds good. It's supposed to give you like a really strong hold, but you can take it off by shampooing it. We're gonna see when I spray some of this on, use my blow dryer to set it. Let's see.
Just wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space.
So guys, today we're going to do a bust down middle part. I've always been a middle part fan, even before they became known as the bust down middle part. You guys, if you've been watching me long enough, you know that. So yeah, and then what bothers me is I keep forgetting to get a wax stick. I go to the store, I go on Amazon, and I keep forgetting to get a wax stick. And those are so important, especially when you see these little hairs up here. Like, you need a wax stick. I don't have a wax stick, but I have wax spray. So we're going to use that today and hope that it works. We're going to see. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Take some hairspray. Read some of this wax spray. Lord, let this work. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the parting space to define it. This hair is so freaking pretty. I'm not doing baby hairs. I think it's not needed. I think it looks great as it is. You can, especially if you're worried about covering up the little tabs here, you can do baby hairs to like swoop around that and sort of hide it. But I think it looks good. Also, guys, if you don't have wax sticks or wax sprays, you can do the same technique just using your hairspray. So don't get freaked out. But yeah. This is what she's looking like. Look how flat baby girl is. Oh my God. What's on your mind? Don't gotta say what So to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair, the wig is beautiful. It fits on my head perfectly. Like I say, if you want to, you can go without the glue. You can wear it glueless. And it fits so snug that you'll be okay without wearing it with glue. And it's not snug tight. It's snug comfortably. Like it's cradling your head. You know what I mean? The color is gorgeous. The texture of the hair is so silky soft. I think it's at like a 14A grade hair. I don't know. I gotta look on the website again. Like I said, it comes pre-plucked, comes with baby hairs, it comes bleached, and the bleaching is actually good. This is one of the better quality bleaches I've seen on a wig, because normally when I get bleached lace frontals or lace closures, you can still see the knots, but these are very, very fine knots on this wig. The color, everything, it's beautiful. It fits comfortably. Like I said, it has combs, adjustable straps. The color is exceptional. It is just so many different tones in here of brown. It's not just one flat shade of 4. There is different like high and low lights in there. It's sort of hard to see probably on camera, but it just shimmers so beautifully. My only complaint is that I wish it was a little bit thicker, because I like a thick wig. You can choose your density on the website. I believe it goes up to 180 density, maybe a little bit more, but you can choose your density on the website. I don't know what density I have. I have to look and see. Once I find out, I'll either put it on the screen if I find out before I edit this video, or I'll put it below in the description bar. But like, other than that, I think she's absolutely beautiful. She melted very, very greatly. My lights are really bright, so I have a light here, and a light here. So hopefully she's not looking white on camera, but in person she is melted. The glue is holding really well too. We're gonna see at the gym. But yeah, it's a gorgeous. I'm mad. Like, why have I never reviewed this color before? A number 4. Why not? Anyways, like I said, this is from Kisslove Hair. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty, especially with my makeup. Anyways, but this is from Kisslove Hair. I will link it down below in the description bar right beneath this video. If you have any questions I did not answer, of course, hit me up down below, because I always get back to you guys. And until next time, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.